Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the smart self-driving car project using machine learning. So user can upload any input image or video. It works on both the things. Like if user upload any image, then it will detect the lane and the traffic signs. So let's upload any image. It detect the speed limit 80, detect the traffic sign. So let's upload any other image. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. Like we have selected another image and it detect the traffic sign like red color and the green color with lane. Let's upload any other image. I'm selecting that particular image. You can select from the dataset or they can download from internet. Okay, speed limit 80, high alert. Let's upload any other image. Or user can upload also video. Select from any folder. Let's select this video and click on open. User can select any of the video. The model will load and it will detect the driver drowsiness state and detect the lane with the traffic sign. The model will load and it will take bit time. So it detect the driver drowsiness state like eyes open. It will also count the total number of yarn. You can see like it detect the road lane with the traffic sign in the right hand side. If the vehicle is nearby, then it will give the alert sound. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.